My name's Tej. I'm the owner and principal dentist of the Cosmetic Dental Gallery. We are a high-end private dental practice that specialises in cosmetic and general dentistry. I initially reached out to Fullcome because our existing phone company were fantastic, but there were a couple of features that they didn't have. And for what we were looking to do as a two-location brand practice now, it made sense for us to switch to a system that had this versatility. It was a no-brainer for us to switch over to Fullcome. When I first saw the HiHi system, the first thing that went through my mind was, wow, this looks fairly advanced because you're using a touchscreen display on a tablet, and I just thought this is the future. And then when we started to realise the features of it, the connection with the mobile app, the fact that you can detach the tablet from the base and walk around with it if you need to, it just gives that level of flexibility and versatility that other systems can't. And the way that that product looks, there's nothing on the market like it. So the HiHi system, one of the really amazing features that it has is that it integrates with our dental software, and having that ability to know who's ringing before we've even picked up the phone and say, oh, hi, Mrs. Smith, how are you doing today? How was your holiday? How's the treatment been? It just gives that level of service, and the patient, sometimes they ask us, how did you know it was me? Really and truly, since we've actually had that feature, the response from it has been very, very positive, because I just feel that it adds that level of genuine and personal touch for our patients. For me, when we were looking at any piece of technology for the practice, what we're looking at is, okay, how will this help us produce a better result? If it's a dental piece of technology, we look at it from that point of view. But from the phone system point of view, it was about having a system that was streamlined to have all the features that I wanted. Some of the other phone tech companies, the technology is quite outdated now. And for me, it was about having the latest technology, but also having the benefit of those features. So yes, when we were looking at the price point, it was, a little bit more than other providers. But I think what you get for that product, it's well worth it in its value. And especially if you're going into multi-locations as well, having a system that's so versatile, that it's almost like having one phone system for two practices, you couldn't ask for more, basically. So for me, I think the decision was very straightforward, and that really made me confident and comfortable to make that decision on the day. So I think the product's well worth the value for the money, for the features that you get, and you're investing in something that's future-proofing your business, and in the long term, it's going to help you grow, I think. I would 100% recommend the HiHi system. For any dental business looking to invest in a phone system, this would be the one I recommend. For single site or for multi-site, I would have switched even if we just had the one site, because I think the value that you get from the product is far and above beyond anybody else on the market.